In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to detect Steam games on an external hard drive. If you've ever moved your games to free up some space, or you're using an external drive for convenience, ensuring that Steam can detect them correctly is crucial. So, let's dive in and make sure your games are ready to play. First, you'll want to open the Steam app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your library. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar interface where all your games and settings are housed. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the Steam window. Here, you'll see the Steam logo. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to all the settings and options you might need for configuration. From this drop-down, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will bring up a new window filled with various tabs. These tabs allow you to customize your Steam experience, but today, we're focusing on game storage. Within the Settings window, locate and click on the Storage tab. This is where you can manage the locations of all your installed games. The Storage section provides a comprehensive view of where your games are currently installed and lets you manage these locations with ease. Now, you'll want to select the drive where your games are stored. If you have an external drive connected, it should appear in this list. Click on this drive to select it. This action is crucial as it tells Steam to look for games on this specific drive. Once the drive is selected, Steam will automatically scan for any installed games. It typically only takes a few moments for Steam to detect the games that are present on the drive. You should then see a list of your games being populated, confirming that Steam has successfully located them. And there you have it. Your games should now be detected and ready to play from your external drive. If you don't see all your games immediately, try restarting the Steam app. Sometimes a quick restart is all it needs to refresh and update the game library. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Ensure that your external drive is connected before you start Steam. If the drive isn't connected, Steam won't be able to detect any games stored there. Also, make sure that your drive has a consistent drive letter. Sometimes, when you plug in different USB devices, your drive letters might change, which can confuse Steam. You can set a specific drive letter for your external hard drive through your computer's disk management settings to avoid this issue. With these steps, you should have no problem detecting your Steam games on an external hard drive. Enjoy playing your favorite titles without the hassle of reinstalling them. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.